Hey guys, Technical with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix your iPhone if it goes black or during a phone call and you can't use your phone. Now, this could be for a couple of reasons, and we'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot this issue. So let's get started. So first thing is, whenever you're having this issue during a call, is the simplest and the easiest way to get back into your screen or activate your screen is by clicking on the side button here or clicking the home button if you have a iPhone with the home button. Now let's say that's not working and it's still black. What can you do? Well, the next thing you can do to fix this issue is removing any sort of temper glass that may be interfering with the proximity sensor on your iPhone. So basically, there's these proximity sensor on your iPhone that whenever you put your phone next to your ear, it detects it and then it goes black, so that you don't get the radiation on your face. So that's how it works. But some screen protectors are known to block that proximity sensor, get in the way, and then when you're making a call, the phone might just always be black even though you're pressing the side button or the home button. It doesn't work. So check out your temper glass or screen protector if you want to go ahead and remove it if you know that is causing the issue. Now, the next thing to do if you're still having the issue is that go check in your settings of your phone. And the setting that we're going to be checking out in display and brightness, there's a feature called raise to wake. Now this feature by default is turned on like that, and this is where that thing happens where the phone blacks out during a phone call. We'll go ahead and turn that off and see if that helps as well for you, because this is will kind of raise to wake and is a feature that activates a proximity sensor to do that, and for a lot of users that seems to be the fix for you. Now, after doing that and still having the issue where your phone is going black during a phone call, the next thing you can do to fix it is doing a force restart. To do a force restart, you're going to do volume up, volume down, and then the side button again, and then you're going to hold the side button just like that until the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo reappear again one more time. So we're going to keep on holding here. We're holding the side button still, as you can see, and then I will let go once I see the Apple logo just like that. Remember, you have to do volume up and down one after another really quick, and then hold that side button until the screen goes black. Now, it's a different from just a simple restart. This will resolve any software related issue that your phone may be experiencing or is being impacted from. This method will not delete any of your personal data, and once you're back on and make a call, hopefully your phone doesn't go black this time when you are on a phone call. Now, after that, if it's still not fixed, the next troubleshooting steps that you want to take is go into your settings and update your phone to the latest iOS version by going into settings, general, software update, and see if there's the update available. Now, if there's an update available, it will say here the name of the update and then download and install. Generally, the update can take somewhere between half an hour to 45 minutes, so you do have to be a little bit patient. But the reason why you want to make sure your phone is up to date is, like Apple says, every time there's a release of a previous version, there might be bug or software issues that needs to be resolved, and the best way to do it is updating your phone software. Now, after you have done that and still having the issue, the very last thing you can do in your settings here is going to general, then go all the way down here where it says transfer or reset iPhone. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on the first reset option, and the reset you are going to be doing is the very first one, which reset all settings. And the reason why you want to do reset all settings is, first you have to understand, when we start changing up our settings from the default settings themselves, it could be impacting the phone's functionality and the way it's supposed to function. So before you do that though, remember that this will reset all of your settings. So things like network related settings, if you set up Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connection, or any VPN settings, your keyboard dictionary, your home screen layout if you have a custom layout, and any settings around location and privacy settings. So all of these will be back to default factory setting, but your personal data like photos, videos, apps, all the information will still be there, and this will generally take about a minute or two, and after you do that, hopefully your phone is working. So those are all the tips you will need to fix that black screen whenever you're on a phone call. Hopefully this video was helpful, and we want to hear from you. If you found a better way to fix that issue, leave a comment in the comment section, and I hope this video helped. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.